Hey guys, what's up and how's it going? In this one we are going to learn how to provide group discounts for trips with WP Travel plugin. Group discounts is an exciting feature available in WP Travel Pro plugin that allows you to provide a group discount on the basis of the number of travelers booking a tour. Before we dive into the video, let me tell you that for this video we have used a Travelog theme which could be found in the description of this video. If you want to check the Travelog theme demo, please consider checking the link below. WP Travel Pro plugin provides the feature regarding providing group discounts as per pricing and categories. WP Travel Pro plugin version 4.0.0 has come up with a new feature that includes a group discount price feature in the pricing options section so that the users can set up group price per pricing rather than per category. The main purpose of this feature is to set up group discount price for the similar type of categories once rather than setting group prices individually for the different categories. Now you can follow these simple steps to use group discount features per pricing option. So first of all, what you're going to be doing is just after activation of WP Travel Pro plugin, you will get the group discount option in the individual trips after adding the pricing option. To use this feature, you need to enable group pricing option by going to admin panel, trips, prices and dates, and to prices. So here under prices tab, you can see the enable group price option which is disabled at the moment, and right over here you can see as it says this will enable group discount for pricing. You can enable it, and after enabling it, group prices section will appear where you have to set a min packs and max packs with discounted price per person as shown in here. Okay, so allow me to quickly add some min packs and max packs values and also a discounted price for it. So on your screen right now you can see I have added 1 and 3 in the max packs of the first section with a discounted price of $450, and if the number of travelers increase from 4 to 6, the discount will also be increased to $300. Let's just head over to the users end and see what so far we have added. In the users end, when you head to booking tab and select a price option, you can see the discount icon showing in here beautifully, and when you hover your mouse on it, you can see our added discounts in here in a form of a table. So from 1 to 3 is $450, and from 4 to 6 it will be $300. So let's just check it and see if it is working. Now if I increase the number of travels from 0 to 3, the price will be $1350. But when we increase it up to 4 person, the price drops to $1200, which means the discount is applied. Working pretty great, right? Okay, so now the group discount per category option. Admin will enable and add the group discount for the category under the category section from the tab dates and prices of the individual trips. So you can follow these simple steps to use discount feature per categories. First of all, what you are going to be doing is after activation of WP Travel Pro plugin, you will get the group discount option in the individual trips after adding categories. To use the feature, you need to enable group price option by going to admin panel, trips, prices and dates, and prices. After enabling it, the group prices section will appear where you have to set the min packs and the max packs with discounted price per person, as you can see in here. So now if we head over to our front end page, you can see the table popping up which is nicely displaying the discount which is providing from 1 to 4, and our price and the price package for 5 to 6 is $500. Now the point to be noted here is that you can either enable group prices for the price under pricing option or group price for the category under the category section. Please watch our previous video regarding how to add and create a new trip. Here's the link which could be found in the description of this video easily. So that was pretty much it for this video, and hope to see you in the next one. And if you like the video, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button, and until next time, peace.